Hello everyone. For this video we're gonna continue our C++ programming language. And now we're talking about the variable types. A variable provides us with name, storage that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C++ has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The name of a variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore character. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. Upper and lowercase letters are distinct because C++ is case sensitive. So, these are following basic types of a variable in C++ as explained in the last chapter. So here are the primitive built-in types of C++. C++ also allows to define various other types of variables, which we will cover in subsequent chapters like enumeration, pointer, array, reference, data structures, and classes. Variable definitions in C++. A variable definition tells the compiler where and how much storage to create for the variable. A variable definition specifies a data type and contains a list of one or more variables of that type as follows. Here, type must be a valid C++ data type including char, w_char, int, float, double, bool or any user-defined object, etc. And a variable list may consist of one or more identifier names separated by commas. Some valid declarations are shown here. So, here are the example. So this is another example. A variables can be initialized or assign an initial value in their declaration. The initializers consist of an equal sign followed by a constant expressions as follows. So for definitions without an initializer, variables with static storage durations are implicitly initialized with null, or all bytes have the value 0. The initial value of all other variables is undefined. Variable declaration in C++. A variable declaration is useful when you are using multiple files and you define your variable in one of the files which will be available at the time of linking of the program. So you will use extern keyword to declare a variable at any place, though you can declare a variable multiple times in your C++ program. But it can be defined only once in a file, a functions, or a block of a code. So, a variable declaration provides assurance to the compiler that there is one variable existing with a given type and name so that the compiler proceeds for the further compilations. So, without needing a complete detail about a variable, so a variable declarations has its meaning at the time of compilations only, and compiler needs actual variable definitions so at the time of linking of the program. So now we're gonna go to the applications of C++. So here, the following example where a variable has been declared at the top but it has been defined inside the main function. So as I said earlier, so we use extern keyword to declare a variable at any place. So here, the extern. You can pause the video guys if you want to read the code and analyzing it. After we compile and execute the program, so this is the following result. So now guys, this is the end of our topic. Thank you for watching. And keep safe everyone. God bless. Have a good day. And see you in the next video guys.